this allows people who wouldn't normally get research experiences to receive them and to collaborate with so many different people, and it's really a great experience.
The goal is to get undergraduate students involved in STEM research careers.
It's just awesome to see people want to come and do research here at IHE.
It's a pretty interesting feeling. It's pretty amazing. Like, even just having that small contribution, being part of that, that kind of wave.
With the help of our mentors who already, have been doing this for years and have so much knowledge and expertise, it just gives us an advantage in that sense.
They're learning about the particular project, they're learning about the research process and the research skills and skills that are preparing them for graduate schools, but they're also learning lifelong skills that they can transfer into other endeavors.
With this, it's nobody knows the answer. We are trying to find out the answer, so it's completely different. There's no right answer that we just need to spit back at. We are discovering, doing things new. There's no really guidebook to this. There's nothing that you can just open a book and find the answer. It's something that you need to do and discover.
This program kind of made it clear what I wanted to do. I want to help people learn and do some more research on what can improve our learning abilities.